Hey guys, it's Edie, your video creation strategist, and I'm coming in with another video overview, and this time it's on a video creation platform called Flexclip. So this video is going to give you a general summary about video creation products, platforms, tools, services, or software. Now, Flexclip is a simple yet powerful web-based video maker that allows you to create marketing videos, social media videos, even personalized videos for your personal events like weddings, birthdays, and things of that nature. The platform is online based, even though you can download a version onto your computer so that you can use it without having to be on the web. And it's super easy to learn and use. They have a lot of really great animated elements that can make your text dynamic. It can allow you to have overlays and widgets and logos and images and footage and all of that great stuff. It has a lot of royalty-free media resources that you can use, music, images, as well as video. It does have a video editing tool that you can use to trim and edit your video and music, as well as it allows you to adjust any images that you may use. It is really good when it comes to offering various aspect ratio formats, so you can create videos for YouTube or for Instagram or for stories with ease. It allows you to add in screen recordings from within the platform itself, whether you want to record your screen, or even if you want to record yourself and incorporate that into the video, that's great. It does allow for voiceover as well as for watermarks if you want to use, whether it's a logo or you just want to add some text to brand your videos with. So this platform is new to me. I've just been introduced to it, so I'm checking it out. It's similar to a lot of other platforms that are out there. This does have an interesting pricing strategy. They do have a free version that allows you to create up to 1 minute in length. So these are totals, videos for Instagram and TikTok and whatnot. However, the quality is not that great. It's only at 480p, which I know is fine for like Facebook. I'm a YouTube person, so I'm always high-end or HD quality. It does only allow you to use one piece of stock video for each project that you do, and it maxes you out at 12 projects. So if you don't have a lot of videos to create, the free platform is totally up your alley. If you want to have a little bit more flexibility, particularly when it comes to the length of the video as well as to the quality, then you might want to go with Basic or Plus, which offers 720 and then 1080 on the Plus. And on the Plus side, it does give you more stock videos that you can use per project. And also it gives you more projects that you can save online versus the Basic, which only gives you 50. With the Plus, you get 200 projects. And then for both of these, Basic and Plus, you get longer lengths of videos. So for Basic, it's 3 minutes, and for Plus, it's up to 10 minutes. And there's no Flexclip intro on either of these, which I forgot to mention there is on the free version. So if you want to check this out and learn more about it, feel free to click on the link in the description below. Leave a comment if you have used this, or if you use it after you watch this video. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know what your feedback is, because I'd love to hear. I'm always on the prowl for really good and effortless video creation tools, and if you guys really enjoy this, then I want to know about that, because I do plan on doing at least 1 or 2 more videos on this platform as I start to familiarize myself a little bit more with it. And when I start doing videos, I'll do a tutorial one, or a tutorial or a review video. This is just an overview, just telling you about it, not giving you an opinion one way or the other, but I would love for you to check it out and give me your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.